Welcome to Rowing for Beginners. In this video, we'll cover the basics of rowing, from equipment essentials to fundamental rowing techniques, so you can get out on the water with confidence and safety. Before we start, let's go over essential equipment. You'll need a stable rowing boat, adjustable oars, and a comfortable life jacket for safety. Optional items like gloves can be helpful for grip and comfort. Next, let's talk about setup. Sit in the boat with your feet securely strapped on the foot plates. Hold the oar handles lightly with your palms up and maintain a relaxed, upright posture. The first position to learn is the catch. Reach forward with your arms extended, bending your knees and placing the oars vertically in the water. This position preps you for a strong pull. Now comes the drive phase. Push off with your legs while pulling back on the oars. Your legs provide most of the power here, so focus on a strong, smooth movement. In the finish position, your legs should be fully extended and your arms pulled toward your torso. This controlled position signals the end of one stroke and prepares you for the next. The recovery phase allows you to return to the starting position. Extend your arms forward, bend your knees, and slide forward to prepare for the next stroke. Move smoothly to maintain rhythm. Maintaining rhythm is key. Focus on pushing with your legs, keeping your back straight, and moving with controlled strokes. A steady, smooth flow maximizes efficiency on the water. Avoid common mistakes like leaning too far back, gripping the oars too tightly, or being out of sync. Keep your movements relaxed and maintain a steady rhythm for an efficient stroke. Thanks for following along with Rowing for Beginners. With practice and focus on these techniques, you'll be gliding across the water with confidence in no time. Happy rowing!